Remote starting your car is a very easy process and it's super convenient. However, the Kia key fobs don't exactly show you the step-by-step direction, and that's my job here today. So you'll take your Kia Smart Key, could even be a Hyundai key, it's the exact same process, and you'll locate your lock button. Somewhere else on the key, you'll also find a button that says hold and have an arrow. That will be your secondary button. Now I'm going to do the process and give you the step-by-step directions, so we'll start by pressing lock. And then within 4 seconds, you're going to press and hold the turnover button, or the button that says hold. From there, your vehicle will turn on. Now, today's vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, so it's operating in EV mode right now. However, if you have a vehicle with a gasoline engine, you'll probably hear your engine turn over. The vehicle will stay on for about 10 minutes, and if you do not interact with the car, it will shut off. However, if you're hopping right into your vehicle within those 10 minutes, I'll show you what to do to put it in a drivable state. The good thing about remote starting your car this way is that your vehicle remains locked, so you don't have to worry about anyone hopping in your car and driving it. They also won't be able to drive it unless the key is somewhere in the vehicle. So I'm going to hop in by pressing my unlock button on the door, seating myself in the driver's seat, and then once I hit the brake, the vehicle will be in a ready to drive state. From then, I can put it in drive and go. But first, I have to open the garage door. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was quick, simple, and easy, and let us know if there's anything else you're stuck on in the Kia Hyundai ownership world. Bye.